Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. This is my jam today. I am apple, it's an apple cider kind of day. I have on orange socks and my orange shoes. I always forget the name of this brand, but they are phenomenal. They look like Cariumas. They look like Converse, but they're more comfortable than Converse. In fact, I used to wear Converse, and then I tried Vans. And Vans were so much more comfortable than Converse that I stopped buying so many Converse and started buying Vans. But then I tried these, and these are more comfortable than both of those. So now I mainly buy these if I'm buying them. So anyways, what I have today for you is 2 reveals and one last shout out about the giveaway. The giveaway is going to be tomorrow. So tomorrow is September 24th. If you want to be entered into the giveaway, you have until noon Central Standard Time to subscribe and leave a comment that just says enter in your state, and I will have you entered after that.
Don't you want a way to get a hold of them too?
Yeah, but I can get that after the fact. A lot of
Okay.
people wanted me to wait until then, so.
All right. You know how to get a hold of me, right?
What?
You know how to get a hold of me, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. But you're not entering.
No.
No, okay.
Heck no.
So, yeah, I'm giving away 10 different things. In the description down below, it'll say the things. I have a few more people to add that I did get entered, and I don't think I've given their names before. There's Charles Ross 6686, KL Varado VARADO 2881, Chambez 339, Christy Yeager, user -LY8PK6, 6 maybe P74, and then Aaron SY from California. So what we'll be doing is tomorrow we'll be doing a drawing. I'll actually be filming my cameraman doing the drawing.
Wait, what?
Yeah. And so I just again want to thank everybody who's entered. I really appreciate it. We hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited about that. And yeah, so that drawing will be tomorrow. I'm going to film it tomorrow, but it won't air until Tuesday. So that's when it'll air. And I hopefully will have gotten a hold of the people that were the winners by then. So without further ado, I got 2 Louis Vuitton items that I was going to show you. Well, first, I was going to show you my bag of the day, my Marley. And I don't know, it kind of goes with the theme of what I'm wearing today.
So, Marley and me.
So we, no. And, well, we just got back from the apple orchard. Just so you know, they liked my shirt. The 2 items I got, let's see. Let's start with this one, a small one. I went, one's from Fashion File, one's from the Real Real. If you were to ask me, what are my favorite SLGs from Louis Vuitton, there's probably 3.
What are your favorite SLGs from Louis Vuitton?
Thanks, hon. Thanks for asking. I appreciate that. One would be for wallet. I love their Zoe wallets. I think they're the best. They're compact. You can still lay your dollars in, flat. There's a space for coins. I absolutely love those wallets. Another thing would be the key clays. We know I like those. I have I think 6 of them now. The other thing that I absolutely adore, and I don't have this yet, is the 6-ring key holder. This one did not come with a box. Didn't matter a bit of difference to me. I have a few. And so I didn't have the monogram. I have it in the Damier Graphite and the Damier Azure, but I didn't have the monogram. So this is the 6-ring. I know a lot of people like the 4s. I like the 6. because not only can you put 6 keys in it, but you can put credit cards back here. So I've had a few times where have been able to use this. One time I was taking a test for work, and you could only bring in your driver's license. So it was, and I need my keys for my car, so I could just slip the license in here, put car keys in there, and it worked perfect. It will fit a car fob. If it's if only one. I mean, what I have in mind typically is 2 separate keys and then a fob for my car, and fits perfectly. The fob will fit in here too, and looks like I gotta line up the snap here correctly in order to get it to shut, which I didn't do still.
Wow.
There we go. So I'm not going to go into any more detail than this. It was listed on Fashion File, listed for quite a bit under retail, and it was listed in excellent condition. So I was a happy camper. That was a no-brainer. I grabbed her. It's very rare for me to find key stuff on Fashion File for less than retail, even if it's only in very good condition, which for Fashion File is usually still very good condition. I mean, like, really, really good. So, to find an excellent for under retail, yeah. I saw that it popped up. It was mine. The other item is something that I got from the Real. And it was something that I've wanted for a really long time. I did trade in a couple of bags to the Real and some clothes I had that were, like Yves Saint Laurent, and a couple other things. I'd had them actually, like, on Poshmark, and took them off there, sold them to the Real, had some credit, saw this come up. It was at a price I was very comfortable with, so applied my credit to it, and I got something. I'm very late to the game on this, I know, but, oh.
Didn't you say you tried to trade me into the Real?
No, I did not try to trade you into the Real. I tried stuffing it a little bit, and you could probably see it through here, but I got the Neo Speedy in the fuchsia or pink denim. So there's the front. It's got 2 of those koala locks here. There's a zipper pocket here. Then it's got a main zip up top. The back looks like that. There are no feet on the bottom, just fabric. There's one side, there's the other. And this is so nice. I mean, like, usually you see these and the handles are horrible. This one, the handles are really nice. There's no odor. Thank you. That's a plus. The hardware looks great. Zipper, smooth. Let me take all my junks out of here for right now. And the interior is just like a micro lining. And it has one big slip pocket in the back here, and then the rest of it's just one big compartment in the matching color. So I have been on the lookout for one of these for so long, and I wanted one that was not torn or ripped, and had not faded, because a lot of these fade to a light pink, and I like the fuchsia. I thought this was bright. I was hoping for good vachetta, but now we've learned from Meredith that you can actually take the vachetta in, the vachetta, that they can replace the vachetta, so that wasn't as important. So then it was mainly trying to get a bag that did not have any tears. This one does not. Did not have any rips through on the piping. This one does not. Did not smell. This one does not. And the koala locks, I don't even have to have them replaced. They're all nice. The zipper pulls on these are good. They all are like butter. The interior of this is like brand new. This is like a canvas lining versus the big one is more like a microfiber. But I think this bag is just, she is pretty. She's slouchy, but I don't care. I love her. I do eventually maybe want to get some of the green and then some of the blue. That would probably be my, if I had to pick them in order of how I liked them. But man, I wanted this pink Neo Speedy in the worst way. And I've looked on eBay. I've looked on Fashion File. I've looked on the Real. Rebag, which now I'm so glad I didn't find anything on Rebag. And if I did find them, they were at prices I didn't want to pay. eBay, I tried asking a couple sellers to come down a bit on their prices. Yeah, they don't like that. At least not as much as I asked them to come down. And so never got it. And then this popped up, and man, these are beautiful. And these Marc Jacobs era, the hardware is so substantial. It's just so nice. And you know, the bag, once it's got stuff in it, it's gonna look great. And I am just super pleased. This was like a bucket list bag for me. So I was really, really excited to get this one. So that's what I have for you for today. I can do a what fits in it at some point. I am thinking I'm going to do Vlogmas this year. So people have been giving me some really good ideas for videos. And I am hearing you. I am writing them down. And if you don't see them come up like anytime right now, watch for them at Vlogmas, because clearly I need, 24 good ideas in order to do a vlog every day, and that's what I'm hoping for.
What?
Yeah.
Vlogmas is a vlog every day in December?
Yes.
Ugh.
And yeah, it's hard because your birthday's then, and my son's birthday's then, and Christmas is then, and my daughter-in-law's birthday's then, but yes, I am going to manage to do that. So some of the ideas you guys have given me, I'm saving for that. Keep them coming. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell notification. You'll get notified every time I post.
Bing.
And leave comments. I absolutely love comments. I absolutely love getting to know everybody a little bit more in the comments. Again, we get little discussions going, and I always learn something. So I really appreciate that. And it just feels nice to have this friendly community. Okay, what are you trying to say? You look like you're just ready to jump in any second with something.
Just wanted to say thank you to the questions that were asked of me. I appreciate it.
Yes, he just loves this now. That every once in a while one of you guys will ask him a question. So he loves when I hand him the computer, and then he can write out his answers for the questions. So we'll probably be doing a Mick Q&A and things like that. That'll probably be more along the lines for Christmas. And Tuesday's video will be the announcing the winners for the giveaway. I have a tag video that'll be coming up. I'm going to try to continue to do videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, or Wednesdays and Sundays moving forward. And except for Vlogmas, which will be every day. You can find me over on you can find me over on Instagram at James Jam as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.